Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry omelet. Whisk eggs with curry powder and a pinch of salt, then chop onion and chili finely. Heat oil in a nonstick pan, sauté aromatics until translucent, pour in eggs, and tilt the pan to set edges. Fold when mostly set, cook briefly to desired doneness, and serve hot with rice or toast for a simple, flavorful meal. Warm the pan and bloom curry, powder briefly in oil to unlock aroma and flavor before adding onions and chili. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk or yogurt for silkier texture, and season lightly with salt and pepper. Cook gently over medium heat, using a spatula to guide edges inward so the omelet folds easily. Top with cilantro or chives and a squeeze of lime to lift the overall profile. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while you cook, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for following recipes hands-free and easily readable near the stove. It's lightweight, has adjustable warm light, and stores thousands of cookbooks so you can switch meals quickly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick pan over medium to medium-low heat and add a small amount of oil to prevent sticking. Pour the spiced egg mix and tilt the pan so the uncooked egg runs to the edges, then nudge set edges toward the center with a spatula. Fold gently when the surface is nearly set, but still glossy for a tender omelet. Slide onto a plate and serve immediately for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.